Want to add multiple photos in one Instagram story? Here are a couple of easy ways to do it. First, open Instagram and tap the plus icon, then select Story. Now, look at the menu on the left or right side and tap on the Layout option. This feature lets you add multiple photos in a grid. You can choose different layouts depending on how many photos you want, like 2, 3, 4, or even more in one story. Once you pick a layout, tap the photo icon at the bottom to upload images from your camera roll. You can also take photos directly to fill each section. After adding your photos, you can adjust each one by pinching to zoom in or out, and repositioning them inside the grid. When you're done, tap the checkmark to continue. From here, you can customize your story, add text, music, stickers, or filters, just like a normal story. Finally, tap your story to post it. Now, there's also another method. Instead of using Layout, you can tap the sticker icon and choose the photo sticker. This lets you place multiple photos freely anywhere on the screen, resize them, and even rotate them for a more creative look. So if you want a clean grid, use Layout. If you want more creative control, use photo stickers. And that's it.